experiment. Can a lighter object lift a heavier object? This experiment will show you how centripetal forces generated by an object in circular motion can help you lift a heavier object. Aim: to lift a heavier object by rotating a lighter object. Things you will need: cover of a ballpoint pen with upper end cut, a needle with a thread, a small potato and a bigger potato, 2 times bigger than the small potato. Let's do it. With the help of a needle, pass thread through the pen cover. Tie both the potatoes to the ends of the thread as shown here. Hold the pen such that the smaller potato is at the top. Now spin the smaller potato. As the smaller potato spins, it lifts the lower, heavier potato up. As the speed of rotation of the smaller potato, small weight increases. The heavier potato, bigger weight, goes further up. Centripetal force generated by the rotation of the smaller weight pulls the heavier weight up. Question time. What will happen to the heavier potato in the above experiment when the speed of rotation of the smaller potato decreases? The heavier potato will come down as the centripetal force decreases with decrease in the speed of rotation